Hello everyone, my name is Nam. I'm in class D5. Today, I will talk about migrations. Well, maybe some of you have heard about birds' migrations in stories, or maybe some of you heard this on TV, or you could heard this on internet. So, this information is fact and it's truly happening. Birds do migrate, but not only birds migrate, animals migrate too. They do this because the place they live is not good for them. They may be too hot or too cold, or there isn't enough water, food, and space. Or maybe it's not good for breeding and baby animals. Animals that migrate are called migrants. In a species, there are only some animals migrate, but in some others, maybe that the whole species migrates. They leave home at the same time and reach the end of their journey at the same time every year or every part of their lives. How can they do this? Scientists thought that they do this because they could remember the landscape around them. So when they remember the landscape, they could know exactly where to go. Also, scientists thought that there are some animals that could use the sun, moon, and stars for observing. There are some theories said that some kinds of animals could use smells, sounds, or even an Earth magnetic field to direct the way too. And some of their theory have proven to be true. For example, this is an insect-eating bat. They use sounds so they can observe where they want to go. Although the animals know where to go, migrating is still dangerous. Why? Because the answer is predators. Predators usually evade them at the same time of year. When the migrants come, they will hunt and eat them. Well, not only animals do this, people do this too. And the problem today is that people are hunting too much, also known as overhunting. When people hunt too much, there are less migrants, which means that there are less animals. People are also build roads, high buildings, wind turbines, and power lines, which should cause injuries or stop migrants migrating. We also pollute the environment too. This could make them find less food, water, and space, so they could prepare for the migration. Climate is changing and ice are melting. This could increase the difficulties for some animals, like the polar bear. When the ice is melting, there are less land, which means that the polar bear cannot work easily. Instead, they have to swim a lot. The stuff is happening. Scientists are researching about the migrations. They put markers and special instruments on them. Their information could help us protect them and the environment. Thank you everybody for listening. Goodbye.